In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step strategy on how we 21x our commissions in 30 days by clicking one automation tool within ViralView. If you're an Amazon affiliate or influencer and not leveraging this strategy, you are literally throwing money down the drain. As you can see, without the automation, we made a whopping $40. We turned it on and made almost 900, which is a 21x increase. If you're still a little skeptical, here is my account from the last 30 days. Did over 12,000, and almost 80% of those commissions came from Creator Connections. So if I wasn't running this automation, that $10,000 would be basically non-existent. We have Andy. The last 12 months, he's averaged anywhere from 10,000 to 35,000. And if you look at the blue graph, Creator Connections makes up the majority of his commissions. So again, if you're an influencer or affiliate and not taking advantage of it, again, you're throwing money down the drain. So in today's video, let's solve that. Let's show you how to actually set this up. So the first thing that you need to do is get ViralView. I'll put the link in the description, and you're going to need to have the Pro plan to run this automation. Once you have that, you're going to click on the extension. You're going to come over here to Creator Connections, and this is where the magic happens. Now, for those that don't quite understand what Creator Connections is, essentially what you do is you get increased commission rates. So instead of making anywhere from 1%, even a 0.5% from the standard Amazon commissions, you can get increased commissions of 10, 20, 30, 50%. Because these brands are creating campaigns and incentivizing us creators to create content about their product. And if we accept that campaign and contribute a sale, boom, we are getting those increased commission rates. But the issue is, as you can see, there's almost 800,000 campaigns. That's millions and millions of products that we would have to sift through manually to check if there's a campaign that we qualify for. But what the automation does is it takes all of the ASINs or all of the products from the content that you've created. So it'll take it from your storefront, from your photos and idea list. It will take it from your deep links. So if you use URL view, it will take the products, cross-check Creator Connections, and if there's a campaign, it will find it and accept it completely done for you. And what's incredible is this is going to happen in a matter of seconds. There's other tools that will take anywhere from like 30 to 45 minutes because it's manually checking one by one, but ViralView has such a robust system that it can do it in a couple seconds. So I'm going to walk you through this entire process. So first, you're going to click Accept Affiliate Plus Campaigns. And this might sound and look a little confusing at first, but I'm going to break it down as simply as possible. There's the normal run. This is the traditional check one by one, where it's going to take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, and it might not all get all the way through. But then we also have what's called the quick run. And this is going to go where it's super quick, pull all the ASINs, cross-check, and accept them on your behalf. So I'll just kind of break down how I'm running these automations and how often and frequently you need to and what the different settings are. So I'm going to first run the quick run way more than normal, just because it's so much quicker and way more efficient. And so I'm going to click to quick run. The next is the video settings. This is where I'm going to be running the tagged ASINs every single time. This is basically pulling ASINs from my storefront. And if you don't know what an ASIN is, it's basically just pulling products. So the products that you reviewed, and it's going to cross-check Creator Connections. So that's what this is. And also, just side note, there are information icons. So if you have questions about certain settings, you can hover over the little information icon and it will break it down exactly what it is. So I'm going to be running the tagged ASINs. The auto-linked ASINs is very powerful as well. This is where ViralView is tracking where your videos are placed regardless if you've tagged that product or not. And Amazon is constantly showing your videos on other product detail pages and other locations on Amazon that you have no idea about. And so ViralView is tracking that, and when we do identify that your video is placed here, we are collecting those ASINs because we want to accept those campaigns if there is one, so that we can get potential halo sales. So this is a very, very powerful tool, auto-linked ASINs. So I'm going to toggle that on. We have report settings. This is where it's going to go and collect the last 48 hours of clicks. If you've gotten clicks, that means there's potential sales that can happen. And these link clicks can be from content you created, or they can be indirect link clicks, identifying potential halo sales. So this is important to run as well. The next setting is URL view. If you guys don't know what URL view is, this is a deep linking platform that allows you to create deep links. So when you post to YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, or what have you, you are going to be using a deep link because it's going to increase your conversion rates. And if you're sharing these deep links, you want to make sure that you're accepting the appropriate and eligible campaigns within Creator Connections. So it's pulling the ASINs from your deep links and cross-checking Creator Connections and accepting them when there is a campaign. So this is a massive feature. If you're not using URL view and deep linking products, this is not going to be applicable, but I would definitely recommend using URL view. This is included in the Pro subscription, completely free. So it's kind of a no-brainer. So that's the URL view settings. The next is photo and idea list. A lot of us affiliates, influencers, we create idea lists. And if you're sharing those idea lists to people, you want to make sure that you are accepting campaigns for the products in the idea list. And so you're going to toggle this setting on. Again, if you don't post 2 photos on idea list, if you don't use URL view, you don't have to toggle these settings on. These are completely customizable and you can pick and choose what you want to run. I'm just breaking down what they do. The next setting is custom lists and watch list settings. What this allows you to do is create a list within the ViralView web app. So if we come over here to the Viral Vault, come to watch list, you can create a list of ASINs of whatever you want, and we will find and accept based on that list. So what a lot of people do is they'll pull their ASINs from their earnings reports, or they do a lot of content in a specific niche. So for example, protein. And so they'll go grab all of the ASINs from all the protein products and find and accept campaigns based off of that list. So that's a little bit more advanced strategy. So you don't need to, again, toggle this on, but if you want to, that option is available. The next and last is variations setting. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull the variations from all of the different products. So what happens is there's a lot of sellers that create campaigns for one single ASIN. They don't create it for all 10 or all 20, or sometimes there's products that have 100+ variations. And so if you're not accepting the campaign of the variations, you could be missing out on the Creator Connections campaigns. And so that is going to cover you on that front. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be running all of these settings on the quick run almost on a daily basis, because it's so quick and easy. And so what you do is you toggle them on and then you're going to hit start. And what this is going to do is first, it's going to open up a tab. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, it opened up a tab to our earnings dashboard, and that's where it's going to collect the last 48 hours of clicks. Again, it's doing it 100% automated for you. You don't have to click any button. You just toggle the setting and it's going to go grab those clicks and then it's going to come back. And then once it's done, it's going to show you all of the different ASINs. So as you can see, there are thousands. And if you were to do this the typical way, the normal run, this would take an hour plus, probably 2 hours. But as you can see, it's been not even 50 seconds, and it's going to cross-check Creator Connections. It's going to see if there's a campaign, and if there is, it's going to bulk accept them again in a matter of seconds. So just like that, we just ran this in a minute's time, and it accepted 166 new campaigns. This is 166 new opportunities that I have to get increased commission rates. So instead of making the 0.5%, 1%, I'm going to be making 10, 20, 30%. And that's how we're able to get such a big increase, taking our account from $40 to $900, or making up 80% of our commissions. It's all because of Creator Connections and this simple automation. Now, for those that are still confused, let's simplify it even more. Again, step 1, get ViralView. Step 2, go to Creator Connections. Step 3, click Accept Affiliate Plus Campaigns. Step 4, click Quick Run, and then toggle on the settings that you feel are applicable to you. Again, you can turn them all on if you would like, but if you aren't using URL view, for example, it's not going to be applicable. If you don't have custom watch lists, it's not going to be applicable. So toggle on the settings that you want and then just hit start and then let the magic happen. And this is the quick run setting where I'm going to be running this at least once per day. It takes a minute and you're good to go. Now, if you want to take it a step further, there are some other settings that I'll briefly go over. For example, schedules. What you can do is you can create schedules to make this automatically run while you're sleeping or run while you're at the gym or you're eating lunch or whatever the case may be. Your computer does have to be turned on. It can't just be closed. It has to be turned on, but you can set up schedules and run the settings at any given moment of the day. So you can run a schedule for the normal mode, or you can run the schedule for the quick mode. And so if you want to set this up, you select the mode that you want to run. You're going to name it. You're going to select the time that you want it to run, and then you're going to select the settings, and then you're going to hit create schedule. So as you can see, I have some different schedules that I have. And if I want to enable or disable, you can, again, customize however you would like. For me personally, I don't use schedules because the quick run is so quick. I can just literally click the button and it goes. But a lot of people like to do what's called the normal run. So let's break this down. This is something that I personally don't run that often. And if I do, I'm running very specific settings, because if I was to run all of these all at once, it would get those 5,000 plus ASINs and it would take an hour plus, and it probably wouldn't even get through all of those ASINs before you got rate limited. And so what you're going to want to do if you do the normal run, you're going to want to split them up. So I would not toggle all of them on at the same time because there's too many ASINs. Instead, what I like to do is I'm just going to run my most important links, which is my deep links. And this is where I will run the normal run, is on settings like URL view, because I know that I have deep links on Pinterest, I have them on YouTube, I have them on Instagram. I also have content for them on Amazon. And I just want to make sure that those pieces of content are finding and accepting campaigns very, very frequently, because I don't want to miss out on a campaign that just opened up or a campaign that has early access. I just don't want any to slip through the cracks. Thus, I'm focusing on my deep links. So that is just, again, how I run it. There's no right or wrong, but what I will say is wrong is by not running it. So the simplest way, go to the quick run, run all the settings at once. If you want to run more specific and go one by one checking through the normal run, then do a couple of these settings at a time. So I'll run URL view links. I might do the report settings links, and that's probably about all I'll do on the normal run. But then on the quick run, I'll do all of these all at once and hit start, and it will go pull the ASINs from the different places, cross-check creator connections. If there's a campaign, boom, it will accept them. And that's the simple strategy. This is how we 21x our commissions, 40 to almost 900. And now several months later, it's just continued to grow. So now doing almost $10,000 plus per month from creator connections. So 80% of my commissions is from creator connections. If it wasn't for this single tool, I would be lost. How in the world am I supposed to manually check 5,000 plus ASINs, cross-check, accept, new campaigns are coming, new campaigns are ending? It's so confusing, it's so complicated unless you have an automation tool like ViralView. So that is the complete breakdown of the Find and Accept Affiliate Plus campaigns within ViralView. Again, I'll put the link down below so you guys can sign up, run this tool, and this alone will save you more time and make you more money than anything else within the influencer and affiliate program on Amazon. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.